The world of manufacturing is a busy, fast-paced environment. To keep things running efficiently, you need a clear view of your plant, equipment, and people. In focus, to maximize output and minimize downtime, you need agility. Agility is an easy-to-use, powerful software platform that allows you to manage your assets and maintenance, putting you in control. With easy-to-understand screens, Agility gives you an immediate, at-a-glance overview of your assets and other key performance indicators. Wherever you are, you can see what has been done in the past, what's in the plan for today, next week, and into the future. You can use Agility to schedule your people effectively, monitor skills and training requirements, and keep track of productivity. And Agility mobile solutions mean all your team can have the full picture in front of them, in real time. You'll have visibility of individual asset performance, current value, and understand costs to repair or replace. And the analysis and reporting features will help you to understand what's impacting on performance, enabling you to improve efficiencies and reduce costs. You'll be able to shift the emphasis away from reactive repairs towards planned maintenance, reducing costs and downtime, and increasing productivity. Our customers can tell you more. Agility has given the maintenance team at BAE Systems more flexibility, reduced paperwork, and made allocating jobs to engineers much more efficient on more than 10,000 assets. And since the UK's leading provider of fresh prepared foods, BAKKAVOUR Group implemented Agility, their tasks have swung from 70% reactive to 70% proactive. When flooring manufacturer Forbo introduced Agility, they reduced plant breakdowns from 90 per month to less than 20, increasing plant availability from 89% to 97%. So whatever you manufacture, if you want visibility of your assets, maintenance, and people performance, Agility can give you a clear picture and help to improve your business, starting today.